Like again, my viewers and subscribers. Hope everybody having a lovely morning, a lovely afternoon, a lovely evening, and a great night, my viewers and subscribers. So that vlog I will have Vybz Kartel son them also get search him and his mother shorty. So me I tell you say a big things are going in the house. Me I tell you say a big things are going. I don't know why police always take set from Vybz Kartel pitting them. I don't know why. If I true Vybz Kartel do certain things or maybe we don't even know Vybz Kartel because a lot of things them say Vybz Kartel do what we don't know about. So police pull up on him again. This is about the fourth time now. Vybz Kartel son them then at tanglings with the police. We're not a police or security officer and baiting. So viewers and subscribers, so I play the video. I'm gonna see what I go on. Police full up Vybz Kartel son them house, him and his mother and him family them and a bit things are going on in the video. Be searching and them say them a search for guns and be things and say a wanted man there them house and them look away. They see them get called and them not even have a good warrant, my viewers and subscribers. So we're gonna play the live. I'm gonna see what I go on. I'm gonna see everything will take place.
Young people I live nice and I drive good things. What kind of gun? Them can't, them have wrong address on the warrant. One wrong address on the warrant. And them want torment people. That's all them want to torment people. Torment people. Wrong address, and this is what they're doing. Them say them have a wrong address, and this is what they're doing. Wrong address, and this is what they're doing. What is sense for this? What the reason for this every single time? Wrong address, and them I do it. And she laugh like it's funny. Wrong address. Boss scammer. When they see young people that drive nice car and I live nice life, them here red call them a fear work 9 to 5. Them now no warrant to search, but them go on where them a go, you idiot. Them go on where them a go.
Alright, I'm not carrying that search. Just make sure that they are.
Who not search for? Who not search for? Which gun? Them not no warrant. Just say man no warrant. Them just see the wrong address. Wrong address. It's not even nowhere near what them want. No, them just want torment people that them want to do. I know him can't walk on the warrant properly. Show him make some see the warrant. Give them all the warrant. Look what's the warrant. This is every year disgrace and embarrassment. And you will it me? When then? When then? In the palm video, don't worry yourself. You will it me? And you come and laugh like that it's funny, don't you? Big idiot police, big idiot, Frowsy. I know you can't find the warrant. And this is what? This is it. This is not a where's the warrant? Where's the warrant?
Is this your house?
Yes, it's the house. So where's the warrant? When you go and get in the correct warrant and come back then. When you go and get in the correct warrant and come back. No. Wrong address, wrong name, power warrant. Yeah, them want to know why you little idiot a laugh. Big clown. Them here red call them off your work 9 to 5 for make a living for them dirty family. Yeah. Take set. Big disgrace on people in them house. And make sure all of the phone you want to take up, they right, put back on now. Where's 86? Where's 86? This is not 86. This is not 86. Give me, so we're on the stupid. On the very, very stupid kind. Every day, what do you want?
Whose name is?
Whose name is what? So the current warrant, them not the current warrant for out, so them need to go.
Tanisha Johnson. Who's Tanisha Johnson?
Me, Tanisha Johnson. Oh, no, give me with the warrant, with my name on it.
We have a warrant, man. We have a warrant.
I'm not lock off nothing. No, but them go look for where they want to look at. Anything where they want to look at. But, yeah, we like that.
You know your name. You are not the
My son is not talking.
I don't know if they are your son.
There is entertainer.
Rabbi permission that straight men are here.
No, straight man. Who come here? Who come here? I go go in our room. First of all, my opinion on this man, nobody can go there. Nobody can come on my yard.
They are your sons then.
Oh, what's the break here?
I don't know if they are your sons then. I don't know that. I know that information straight men are here. And then, we know your name, you know. You are Tanisha Johnson. We have all of that information. So the target is not you, it's these men that are here. And that
My son then, I'm a girl that makes sense. Listen. She's straight man over there every single day. She's straight man over there every single day. Hey, so who is the talking? My son then. Who don't know them? None of them know them. None of them know them. Alright,
why you can't get the phone and take the phone for no reason?
No, you have to square up the phone to go with my phone. When the time go with my phone, when you get the warrant, the phone go with my phone. Yeah. Them take up the phone and the son phone, the baby's son phone. But listen, all I'm going to do they here, I'm just a bit unfair because I know Likkle Vybz, I know Likkle Addi, I know sing and yeah. What we are now? We need to get the information. No, we can't go and search life and right. Get the right warrant. They can't be the fire warrant because the address wrong for it.
Yeah, this is 86, number 1, this wrong.
Yes.
And where's Tanisha Johnson?
The name and the JP signature.
No, the number.
The address wrong.
No, the police does not live here. So the name.
Them provoking. Me not see nobody else. Me not see no texted for nobody in here that be a scam and living in their business. We not texted for nobody like we texted to the yard there. We know why you people but and for other people. That you know why I do.
They are going to try to prevent us and carry out this search.
Nobody not prevent us. We want to have the wrong warrant. Nobody not try to prevent us. We have the wrong warrant. What back of them no carry they not come put nothing and plant nothing. Cause that's all them good for dirty police. Them not what back of them and show them at the PP club.
Where we are search.
What's my ID now, try?
Hey, Tanisha Johnson, man. Don't worry about it.
No, that's sure something that the name is
Tanisha Johnson.
important. What is that information? That number can be error.
Who is the scammer? Yeah, Tanisha Johnson. Them want wild up people like that. Them want do.
Hey, want to go on a search the place, man?
What back of them? What back of them?
Hey, they get all the information information they need. We show them the one, we show them the house, we show them the name of the owner for the purpose. Every information is there. Every number is not accurate. There's nothing wrong with it. We show them the house and the cases, everything they will have. So don't worry about it, just write down, sir.
Now let's bring them 50 trees on it.
There.
Big club.
Look at our
I can't. I want to know when I'm going at a time. Because we want to know how we can throw it out. I don't know how we.
Wait. A sentence B. Sentence B. Sentence B. So the second time this happened. Bro, at the same time when the come up we do the second time this happened.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, so leave a thoughts and opinion in the comment section below of what you think about Vybz Kartel, Pitney them and them look away there, cause me I tell you say it look like so them really are target him son them, because every time I see police I tangle them, when police now drape them up and them look away there, and I take set upon them when them got Ochi and them way there, when they're not security or police. So now leave a thoughts and opinion in the comment section below of what you feel say, oh, the man them I get targeted and them where they are. They feel like say I true Vybz Kartel do certain things in them past, make it a fall down upon them now as the kids them. So I want for know my viewers and subscribers them I think. So make sure you say subscribe to my channel, make sure you say like the video, subscribe to my channel right now, click the subscribe button, hit the notification bell and click the all button, you know, so by that way anything I'm post you're gonna be the first person to forget it. So you see what time I see what time I acquire up yourself and get out of here my viewers and subscribers. I'm out.